What's up YouTube? It's Johnny B Pokemon, and in today's video, I'm going to be opening up these 3 new V-Hero tins. Each of them comes with 5 packs, a code card, and a promo card. Well, let's open this up and see what we get. Before I do, just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Now let's open this up. As you saw, we have 3 promos, an Umbreon V, Sylveon V, and Espeon V. Very cool. And each tin came with 2 Brilliant Stars, 1 Fusion Strike, 1 Evolving Skies, and 1 Chilling Reign. Here is the code card for the Umbreon V tin. Start with the first Brilliant Stars. Still looking for that Rainbow Charizard. Code. Psychic. Marnie's Pride. Farfetch'd. Grimer. Shinx. Reverse Holo. Nice. A Holo Lucario. Nice start, but I think I already have this. Next pack. Code. V-Star. Shroomish. Duskull. Reverse Holo. Nice. Flygon V4. Very cool. A little off center, but that's fine. Fusion Strike. Still looking for a lot of the alternate arts in this set. Code. Lightning. Ninetales. Skater's Park. Mudkip. Bunnelby. Reverse Holo. Non-Holo Rare. Next pack. Evolving Skies. Code. Psychic. Ubat. Psyduck. Eevee. Reverse Holo. Nice, another hit. A full art V. Very cool. Last pack for this tin, Chilling Reign. So far, it's been a pretty good tin. Oh, I see gold. There's gold there. Okay. Code. Water, Haunter, Grookey, Rockruff, Lapras, Reverse Hollow, and nice! An Echoing Horn, Gold. Wow, that was a really good 10. 2 full arts, a gold card, and a regular hollow. Very cool. Here is the code card for the Sylveon V10. Next pack. It's gonna be hard to live up to that last 10. Let's see what this one has. Code. Energy. Floria. Clefairy. Reverse Hollow Lapras. Non-Hollow Rare. Next pack. Brilliant Stars. Looking for a lot of those Trainer Gallery cards. Code. Psychic. Purloin. Sneasel. Magmar. Reverse Hollow. Non-Hollow Rare. Fusion Strike. Code. Energy. Totodile. Reverse Hollow. Non-Hollow Rare. Evolving Skies. Code. Lightning. Spirit Mask. Pikachu. Tentacle. Reverse Hollow. Nice! Leafeon VMAX. I do not have this card. Another 4. Very cool. Last pack for this 10. Chilling Reign. Code. Lightning. Flaffy. Snover. Coughing. Reverse Hollow. Non-Hollow Rare. Well, that 10 wasn't as good as the first one. Here's the code card for the Espeon V10. Alright, Brilliant Stars. Let's see if we get anything good. Code. Fighting. Floatzel. Magmar. Staryu. Clefairy. Non-Hollow Rare. Clefable. Last Brilliant Stars pack. Come on, Charizard. Need that Charizard. Code. V-Star. Piplup. Purloin. Sneasel. Reverse Hollow. Non-Hollow Rare. Last Fusion Strike. Code. Fighting. Eevee. Reverse Holo. Non-Holo Rare. Last Evolving Skies. Wow, started off with a bang. Not much sense. Toad. Grass. Marie. Reverse Holo. Non-Holo Rare. Last Chilling Rain. Please let there be something in here. That didn't feel good. Code. Psychic. Welcoming Lantern. Farfetch. Slabble. Reverse Holo. Non-Holo Rare. Well, didn't end it on a high note, but pretty good opening. That's all I have for this video. Just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Later.